A life you don't want to escape. Disappear. Cut all distractions, isolate yourself from your old habits, and become extreme about your vision. Only then real change begins. Focus. Commit 6 to 12 months to mastering one skill and building real projects. It's the fastest way to get ahead. Learn to be alone. If you can't sit with your own thoughts, you'll never make clear decisions about your future. Start creating. Switch from consuming content to creating it. Start where you are, with what you have. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Walk. Go outside and walk alone for 30 minutes. You'll be surprised by how many great ideas come to you. Sleep. Get at least 8 hours of sleep each night and keep a consistent schedule. It's the foundation of your energy, focus, and quality of life. Subscribe if you want to change yourself.